here a Tirobha, a Suchak Kirtan about Gopal Bhatta Goswami, but I'm not sure. Because there's special bhajans that are written to be sung on the disappearance day of great acharjas. So they're called Suchak Kirtans. Shri Gopala Bhatta Prabhu Tuya Sri Charana Kabhu Dekhi Boki Nayana Bariya Suniya Sima Guna Pondraye Vidila Guna Nichani Niyajare Maria. Anyway, maybe if we're very fortunate, maybe sometime our bhajaneer, our kirtaneer, and Varaha Prabhu will sing this song because it's a beautiful Bengali song written by Manohar Das. And anyway, let me read the English translation. Whenever I see the beautiful lotus feet of Sri Gopal Bhatta Prabhu, my eyes flood with tears. One becomes free from the cycle of birth and death by hearing about your unlimited qualities. Being attracted by your moon-like face and lips radiant like the rising sun, I can no longer be pierced by Cupid's 10 golden arrows now that I have become attracted to your beautiful moon-like face, O Gopal Bhatta Prabhu. Your beautiful teeth resemble a string of pearls. Your joyful words are saturated with sweet nectar. Wouldn't it be wonderful to be such a personality that when we spoke like this? Instead of speaking in such a way, we speak like, acid mixed with Sudarshan Churna mixed with bitter melon. Karela acid and Sudarshan Churna mixed together. That's how we speak, if you understand these things. We speak very bitterly, very roughly. But Gopal Bhatta, he spoke. This translation is given by Subhag Swami Maharaj. He spoke. His joyful words were saturated with sweet nectar. This is Vaishnava. A Vaishnava is joyful. Vaishnava is happy. And he speaks very nectarine words which are sweet, like ambrosia. Hasikahe amrita madhura.